Welcome to Engine Explorer. And today, prepare yourself to witness something truly outrageous because you won't believe what's hiding inside this double-decker Kenworth T2000. This isn't your average semi-truck. In 2026, engineers and designers came together to create something so unique. It shattered every expectation of what a motorhome could be. And when we say double-decker, we don't just mean a bunk bed setup. This thing has 2 full floors, yes. An entire upper level, loaded with tech, luxury, and hidden features you'd expect in a multi-million-dollar mansion. Let's start with the exterior. From a distance, it still holds the aggressive, iconic shape of the Kenworth T2000, but look closer, and you'll spot a fully extended, custom-built rear cabin stretching high above the original roofline. Sleek aerodynamic panels, carbon fiber trim, and laser-cut accents give it a futuristic edge. The paint? A metallic titanium coat with self-healing nano-film. It even washes itself. Step through the biometric entrance door and the transformation begins. You're not entering a truck. You're entering a smart home on wheels. The first floor welcomes you with a floating lounge featuring touch-sensitive furniture, built-in massage chairs, and a fireplace made with virtual LED flames. A 100-inch OLED screen rises silently from the floor, surrounded by panoramic smart glass windows that shift from clear to tinted with a voice command. To the right, you'll find a fully automated AI kitchen. It has a self-cleaning induction cooktop, robotic arms for prep and stir, a vertical herb wall, and a zero-gravity fridge that keeps your food fresh even in extreme terrain. It even greets you with your favorite coffee the moment it senses you entering. Now here's where jaws drop. Press a hidden button near the staircase, and a hydraulic lift platform takes you to the second floor. This upper deck? It's insane. You're looking at a sky lounge, surrounded by 360-degree, curved glass, offering panoramic views of wherever you're parked. Mountains, forests, even deserts. A hidden retractable roof opens at night, turning the entire space into a stargazing dome. At the rear end is the master suite. King-sized memory foam bed, ambient lighting synced to your circadian rhythm, soundproof insulation and climate zones that adjust by room. Press a panel on the side and a concealed walk-in closet slides open with motorized drawers. Oh, and yes, it has a rain shower and smart spa built in. There's also a hidden garage tucked under the first floor, holding a compact electric vehicle with solar, charging directly from the RV's 80% solar rooftop. The RV's engine? A hybrid diesel-electric powerhouse with self-leveling suspension and active terrain response, making long-distance luxury travel feel like floating. Safety, it's loaded. Facial recognition entry, panic mode blackout satellite surveillance, and a built-in drone that can scout your surroundings or shoot cinematic travel footage.